We really excel as an organization as we bring a strategic approach. You just don't want somebody to take care of your network and fix your things. You want somebody who walks along the journey with you in your business as a partner, as an advisor, and what you want is a strategic viewpoint. A lot of our clients currently and a lot of the people we talk to as prospects, their thing is, hey, I just need somebody to fix it, make sure it works. Where we really excel, where we really tend to make a big difference is when we get involved with clients who are looking for a strategic partner, who ask a lot of questions, who listen, who are willing to engage us in their entrepreneurial dream. It really is what fuels us as an organization. We want to be a concierge service. There's no question. I think what distinguishes us in the marketplace is our responsiveness, our attention to detail, and the fact that, we follow up. We start asking the deeper questions, and we want to help bring insight into companies that are willing to look at IT as that underpinning investment, that underpinning glue, the foundation, and that's where we really excel. So if you're a small or medium-sized business and it's your desire to kind of pull it all together and have a company that you can work with that understands the IT and that can help collaborate with other vendors to pull it all together, we're really your company to work with.